This initial solution will show you how to copy a Discord server. First of all, you have to open Discord on your browser and then open the server. And remember one thing, to make a copy of a server, you must have the owner of the server. Then click on the server name and go to server settings. Click on server template and give here the template title. You can add a description here, then click on generate template and click on preview template, and here you will get a preview of your copied template. Now click on create. And remember one thing, templates will copy all channels and channel topic, roles and permissions, default server settings, and templates will not copy message or any content, members or bots, your server icon, boost or other perks. So here you can see I have successfully copied this server here. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe Initial Solution. See you in the next video.